The road to recovery turns green tomorrow once again for most of our area after more than 3 months in different phases of lockdown. Southeastern Pennsylvania will be back in business with the lifting of most restrictions. However, health officials are urging caution that we could see a resurgence of COVID-19 if people are not careful. In an exclusive interview, health reporter Stephanie Stahl talked with Pennsylvania's Secretary of Health about our region moving into the green phase. Steph?
Well, Yuki, Dr. Levine says green doesn't mean return to normal. As the Philadelphia region reopens, people still need to take precautions. After 100 days of restrictions to contain the spread of COVID-19, southeastern Pennsylvania goes from the yellow phase of reopening to green on Friday. The move comes because of a continued downward trend of new cases.
With the governor's, very careful phased opening approach, the red, yellow, green scheme, we have been able to prevent any significant increases.
In an exclusive interview, the Secretary of Health told me masks are the key to a successful reopening.
Masks have been shown to be very helpful in terms of preventing community spread.
But the virus is spreading in many other parts of the country, including Florida, Texas, and California, with record highs.
Big metro areas seem to be rising very quickly, and some of the models are, on the verge of being apocalyptic.
Considering the spikes we're seeing in other parts of the country, are you worried it could happen here in Pennsylvania?
I am always concerned about actually 24/7. The best ways for that not to happen are for people to be alert and vigilant, for people to wear masks, wash their hands, and continue to social distance.
But the trend has been for cases to increase as restrictions are lifted and people start interacting. Dr. Levine says the best way to prevent that is through expanded testing, where infected people are isolated quickly along with their contacts. I asked the secretary if that doesn't work, could red or yellow restrictions be reimposed?
We're confident that our containment strategy will work, and we do not plan at this time to have counties, for instance, go back in terms of the color scheme.
Now, while Philadelphia will be in the green phase tomorrow, only a limited number of businesses can open, like hair salons. The city has decided to keep restrictions in place for another week. Yuki?
Thank you for that update, Stephanie.